This slimline dishwasher from Hotpoint is perfect for households looking for a superb model with fantastic features. It has an efficient A++ energy rating, 8 wash programs and 10 place settings, which lets you clean a side plate, main dish, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 10 people. This is perfect for compact kitchen spaces and small households. The brilliantly designed dual space feature lets you easily adjust the height of your top basket. Just simply click and lift in one swift movement and you'll have plenty of extra room in the lower compartment. So, you can now fit those large dishes and pans into your dishwasher and make after-dinner cleanups stress-free. Hotpoint's Hygiene Plus is a fantastic feature that keeps your dishes spotlessly clean. This specialist wash program rapidly increases the temperature during the wash to completely remove any bacteria that has formed on your cups and plates. This means if you suffer from allergies or have young children, you can enjoy dinner time knowing your dishes are thoroughly clean. So, you can sit back and relax because this slimline dishwasher from Hotpoint has all the right features to make life a little easier.